2010 Volkswagen Jetta 2.5 liter CVTA engine. Put an ignition coil in it. Number 3 right there in the middle. Starts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the cylinder number. If you look at the computer, it's showing a intermittent number 3 misfire. I put the new coil in it, put all new spark plugs in it because they were the incorrect style. I've thrown them away now, but had NGK platinums in it, and it's supposed to have a Bosch built VW copper core. There we go. Anyway, ran into an odd issue. I decided to start pulling injector wires because with the new coil it's still not acting right. So we're going to pull number 5 here. And when I pulled it, you would expect to see number 5 start counting up. But when I was listening to it, there is no secondary misfire anymore. And if you'll look at that number 3, it's just counting up quickly. So, I say, well, let's check into this. This is number 4. And watch, well, let's go to number 3. Watch what happens when I pull number 3 injector with the number 3 misfire. Number 4 starts counting up. Number 3 stops misfiring because now it's concentrating on the primary on number 4. So we'll hook that number 3 injector back up. Now we'll pull number 4 and see what happens. Now we're miscounting on number 5. And we still have a secondary misfire behind it. This is why I don't stay caught up a whole lot.